Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we are going to discuss that how to enter the data set into Excel file. So there are many ways. So we are using or we are discussing two ways in our today's session. Let's suppose we have the data set of different sections and we have the marks of different subjects. So the first option is that I am entering the data manually. So the section and then the subjects like say stats, math and let's say economics, and we have section A, B, C, and math scores are 50, then 55, then 30, and then these scores are 53, 54, then 90, and economic scores are 80, 50, and then 40. So this is the first way that you can enter the marks. So let's say I am not interested in to enter the marks by this old method or the traditional method. So the second option is that I am going to delete this, and uh, if you are using the older version of Excel, after selecting the first row, you have to where you have mentioned the headings. Then press Alt plus D plus O. Then a form will appear and you can enter the data set on that form. But if you are using a latest version, as I am using a latest version of the Excel, so this command is not, or this short key is not working on my Excel. So maybe it is not working on your Excel file. So what is the solution then? You have to go here, customize quick access toolbar, and then go to quick access toolbar and select all commands, and after selecting the all commands, search for the form. So after finding the form, click on add button and then click on OK. So the form will be added into your quick access toolbar here. I have already selected this, so my data is already there. So after selecting this data, so click on this form and press OK. So as you can see, the headings are already appear here. So let's say my first section is A, stat scores are let's say 30, math scores are 40, economics scores are 50, then new. So here you can see that the data is entered here. Then the new section is B, stat scores are let's say 50, math scores are 71, economic scores are let's say 32, then new. So in this way you can also enter the data set by using the modern way as you are following the traditional way. So this is how you can enter data set into Excel.